All right, guys, sorry about that. A little late because I was trying to watch for this timer thing and it didn't pop up till just now. All right, so that takes us to our four basic evidences for the Big Bang Theory that science uses. Number one, we got redshift, okay, which also includes blue shift. So, in the rare occasion we have something getting closer, that color of that star is going to shift toward the blue. But number one is redshift. Okay. Two, related to that, is universal expansion. Okay. The observation that other galaxies and other solar systems are moving apart. Number three becomes our cosmic background radiation. Remember the guys from Bell Laboratories? That's the background radiation found in space, thought to be left over from the Big Bang. And then we've got number four, which is dark matter and dark energy. Okay, so that directly answers number seven. Okay, that directly answers number seven. Take a look at your number six and make sure that you've got 25% of the universe appears to be made of 25 now. Dark matter. Right, dark matter. And that does not interact with light. And again, if you want to try and tie that in, think of a brick, think of a car. You shine a light on it, the light doesn't really go through, it just kind of hits it, right? Okay, so dark matter doesn't interact with light. Okay, and then we've got dark energy, and again, this is all in number six, which you might want to write down 70% next to that, just to keep yourself straight. Okay, and the dark energy, we think, is expanding the universe. Remember, there's not enough mass to account for the gravity that we see. The gravity would be pulling things apart. Momentum, not enough mass for that kind of momentum. So we blame it on this mysterious thing called dark energy. Okay, for number seven, right on this slide right here, we've got our four. Okay, stop it if you need to. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and move to number eight, which should be on the next page or the back page, depending on how you. And I'm really keying in on the essential question that is over there on your left. You've got a variety of evidence to support the Big Bang. How is it a durable scientific theory? Okay, because it comes from multiple branches of science, supported by multiple evidences, testing, and repeatable experiments. What do we mean by that? Well, anything having to do with light, you can repeat it. Anything having to do with math, you can repeat it, as long as your variables don't change. It's hard to conduct an experiment on a star flying out there in the universe, but we can certainly measure its light, right? So that answers number eight. Okay, the second paragraph on this slide right here, Big Bang Theory, it comes from multiple branches of science, astronomy, physics, math, and supported by multiple evidences, testing, and repeatable experiments. Okay, so at this point, you should be able to answer number one. We might do a little, think, pair, share thing in class if we were together, but just think about it yourself. What evidence is used to develop the Big Bang Theory? What evidence is used for verifying, previous slide, the Big Bang Theory? And how old is our universe? Now, these are not things you're going to fill out on your notes. This is just kind of stop and think about it kind of things. Okay, do you know? No, like number one, do you know? Okay, what about number two? Do you know? Okay, and do you know number three? You might have heard that number before. Yes, you did. You heard it several times. Yeah, let's check it out. Okay, what does the Big Bang Theory describe? Okay, the beginning of the universe. What evidence is used to develop it? There's our four, right? There's our four. 1, 2, 3, 4. You notice dark matter, dark energy is put in there together, and universal expansion. How old is the universe according to the theory? 13 to 15 excuse me, that should say billion, shouldn't it? Don't write million, write billion. Okay, this is just one of those stop and think about it things. Sorry, carry over from a previous version. So that wraps this one up, and on the next PowerPoint, we'll start dealing with matter in the universe. We've covered everything with the Big Bang. We didn't have to go and see that one. It didn't hurt. And we covered the basic legs and what they're all about. So on the next PowerPoint, we'll start with matter in the universe.